Yeah, magbubulalo kami mamaya. So, that's fun. And magsa-Starbucks kami. Pumunta kami ng Tagaytay para matulog. The view is very, grabe, superb. Very pretty. Hey guys! What's up? It's Renee and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, it's a different one. For the first time after... what, 10 months? Like, ever since lockdown, ever since my Singapore vlog. For today, pupunta kami ng Tagaytay. Wow! Pupunta kami ng Tagaytay. It's been quite a while since yung last na lumabas ako. Like, actually, ever since March, hindi talaga ako lumalabas. So, ayan. Meron tayong bagong content. May pa-travel vlog tayo. Hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung mga gagawin. So, I'll try to vlog as much as I can. Like, kung ano nang meron sa Tagaytay. Like, I feel like Tagaytay is the quarantine staycation ng marami. Kasi, sa ngayon GCQ and halos lahat marami na pupunta dun. Like, it's a tourist spot lately. Before you continue watching, don't forget to click the like button down below if you're interested with this content. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below and the bell notification beside it for you to be notified whenever I upload again. Yeah, I will see you in Tagaytay. Hey guys! So, I'm now in Tagaytay! Oh my god, it's so windy. So, hindi ko dala yung mic ko. So, hopefully, yung audio nito is maganda naman. So, yeah, I'm in the balcony ng condo unit na pinag-i-stayan namin. So, while we're here, magkakaroon na rin tayo ng room tour. So, we're staying at Tagaytay Prime Residences. So, yeah, let's go. So, we're staying here in this room. And then, pasok tayo. So, pagkapasok mo, andito yung mini kitchen area and then meron silang pa-microwave and then may ref. And then, andito yung dining table. So, 4 kami nagsistay dito sa room na to. So, ayan, 4 siya. And then, merong 2 doors. So, yung first door is the CR. Sa second door, merong shower room. Ayan. So, magkahiwala yung shower room and CR nila. And then, ito yung kama namin. So, there's my sister. Ayan. So, dalawa yung kama namin. Since 4 kaming magsistay. And then, it's messy there. So, meron siyang couch. And then, may mga dividers din. Ayan. May lang. So cute. Merong TV. And then, ayan. Basta na-invade na yung space na to kasi dun yung mga gamit namin. And then, merong sofa. Yan. So, meron siyang sofa. And then, ito parang empty space. So, pwede ka maglagay ng mga damit-damit dyan. Mga pwede hanger. And then, ito naka-lock. And then, ayan. So, vanity area. Ayan. Ayan. Ito yung vanity area. And then, doon din may mirror. May mirror din doon. And then, ito. Dito ako nanggaling kanina. Pag-open is... grabe. Lakas ng hangin, sis. Ayan. Here. Ayan, so yun yung buong room tour namin dito. So, nababubuing ako. Anyway, so, I'll let you tag along dito sa Tagaytay vlog this weekend. Hey guys, I like to zoom her. I like to zoom him, sorry. That's Aisha's best friend, so she brought him in. So what do we do now? We're now at the rooftop. Nakatapos lang namin mag-photoshoot and yeah, dito kami sa rooftop. So we're going to go to that. Yeah, punta kami doon. Magmamask lang kami very quick.
Kanina, I tried to influence her not to wear her mask.
Don't forget to always wear your mask.
Nakita namin sa hallway, naka-mask yung mga tao, so nakaka-conscious.
Yeah, ka-conscious sa lahat. So, punta lang kami doon. So, pupunta kami doon sa area na yon na nagkakaguluhan nila. So, ayan. And here's the rooftop. It's cool.
Yeah, and it's really cold here.
Yeah, it's cold.
Sobra.
Siya nila... Girl! Asialese suit is like, nagkulang sa tela. Party ka to. Maganda tingin. Let's. Oh my God, look at the traffic.
Yeah, pinagdaanan naman yun kanina.
Yeah, oh my God, it's Friday.
But I won. The bet.
I don't care. Ma'am, look at the moon. Bakit ko maganda? Pag umaga. Kasi malaki yung view. Wow, look at the view. That's the outlet there. Where the okay. And the traffic.
It's foggy na. Sobrang lamig talaga.
Yeah. Grabe, sobrang foggy dito sa Tagaytay. It's now, sobrang foggy. Ayan, so, it's now our day 2 in Tagaytay. And actually, hindi pa kami lumalabas sa room namin. Hindi pa kami lumalabas at all kasi umuulan. Yeah. And yun, so if you want to get away from Manila, I think this is okay. It's very cold. Like, natulog kami kanina like 5 a.m.-ish. It's so cold. Di kami nag-aircon, di kami nag-everything. So right now, ayan, kay lata lang kami lahat. Ganyan. And then, super foggy. As in, super foggy ngayon. Like, legit. And as in, you can't even see the taal. Kasi when it's sunny, it's nakikita pero it's so foggy. You really want to, gusto mo malamigan. Yeah, you can go here in Tagaytay. Just be safe and always wear a face mask. It's so cold! It's so cold there. And so they're all sleeping. They're all sleeping. Yes, it's cozy. They're all sleeping. And we're watching SpongeBob Marathon. Like, legit, kanina pang umaga yan. Nagising ako, may SpongeBob na hanggang ngayon, 1 o'clock na. May SpongeBob pa rin. Bakit kaya walang Fairly Odd Parents sa Netflix? Diba? I want Fairly Odd Parents.
I want
Totally
Phineas and
Spies!
Ferb.
Oh, yeah.
Totally Spies meron.
Meron ito. Oh, yeah.
Season 1 lang.
The gadgets there. Anyway, we'll take you to our next destination, yung next room namin.
Akala ko yung bulalo.
Yeah, the bulalo thing din. Ayan, nakalipat na kami ng room and then I'll share you yung room. So, let's go. Ayan, yung room. Nagugulat ako. So, ayan na ito na yung bago namin room. And then, pagpasok mo, yan, mas comfy siya. Like, meron na kaming sariling room. Pinaghiwalay na kaming apat. Yeah, so ito yung CR. So, mas malaki yung CR dito. I like it. Huh? Malaki yung CR doon. And then, ayan. Oh my God, mga nagdadabog. And so, ayan, may TV. Yan, mas malaking TV namin this time. And then, the dining table, if you want to eat. So, andito yung first bed. And then you look at this. Ito yung wardrobe. Nakalock din yun. And then, ayan, ito yung wardrobe. Ayan. So, mas malaki yung wardrobe namin ngayon. Bili tayo ng gin ramen. Shower. Magkiwala yung CR nila at shower. So, ayan, mas malaki to. I like this. May paglalagyan ng phone. Ayan. Meron kami. And then, ayan. Ito yung partition wall. And then, ito na. Voila! The second bed. Yeah, siya katabi ko sa bed. And then, tada! The greens. Mas maganda yung view sa kabila, but this is okay. It's open. We have a balcony. Yung balcony. So, mas maganda yung view sa kabila, but this one is okay. Yan. The green. So, lote to. I'm sure lote. Yan. Wow! For today's agenda, for this afternoon's agenda, we'll take a nap because may hangover pa kaming halos lahat. Well, ako lang. Hindi, dalawa lang kami. So, yeah. Magbubulalo kami mamaya. So, that's fun. And magsa-Starbucks kami. So, yun lang yata yung gala na magagawa namin this afternoon. So, okay. We'll just take a nap. Hey guys, so, bababa na kami.
You're going to Bulalo Point?
Yeah, we're going to Bulalo Point. This is our first, ito yung first labas namin since yesterday. Ewan ko ba. Natulog lang kami. Pumunta kami ng Tagaytay para matulog. So,
We're at
JT's? JT's, yeah. JT's restaurant. So, Bring your
Initially-
IDs. Bring your IDs. Oh my
Actually, I
God.
didn't, but yeah, we managed to.
Sneak in. Sneak in. So we're, ayan, look at the view. Wow.
It's really
The view is very, grabe, superb.
very pretty.
Superb, yes. And, ayan, hi, 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 hi.
Hangin.
Sobrang hangin
Merong
to.
ano, merong meron.
Sobrang hangin. Yeah, so it's our date night. So, I'm dating Mika. Let's see. Oh, wait lang. Ayan, so, I'm dating Mika and then Asiel is dating her baby. So, ayan. This is so nice. Parang ano, no? Parang, ano tawag doon? Yung sa, fancy rest. Kasi dalawa lang. Tapos ang haba ng table. So, ayan. We're waiting for our food.
Ano ito kayo order?
Kung ano.
Hindi ko na bulalo.
Yan. So, we're waiting for our food and then magpo-food review tayo. Wow, food review.
Sige.
Food review tayo. Sige, wait lang. OMG, so yun na yung food namin. Ayan, meron kaming bulalo.
Ano to?
Ito.
Bagnet?
I don't know. Oh, basta yan, meron kaming ganyan. Bagnet and then we have shrimp.
Oh, I know.
Shrimp, ganyan. And then, my date is videoing. Rice, hindi namin most probably makakain. So, yeah. Cheers, guys! So, I'm currently eating bulalo and it's delish. I like it.
Yung tayo ba nag-white ako? Like,
Sarap. I like the sisig, I like the bulalo. So I'm currently eating sisig and then ito bulalo to. And it's, so far it's good. So ito may gulay kami. Hindi masyadong nagagalaw. And then yeah, they were eating. Hindi pa rin sila tapos, but yeah. Uy, wala! We're done eating. So, we're done eating. So, we're just, naantay na lang namin si Steph. Matapos, naantay na lang namin sila matapos. And then, we'll go to Starbucks. Starbucks. It's so cold in here, huh? Sobrang lamig. And then, skin! So cold! So yun, if magbabala kayo pumunta dito, bring warm clothes. Yeah, don't deny yung scarf niya. Sobrang kapal kasi ng scarf niya. Hey guys, day 3. Day 3. So, yung vlog na ito, kasi wala din ako masyadong ginagawa. So, punta kami ngayon ng 3rd floor. 23rd floor. Para mag-photoshoot sa roof deck. Time to photoshoot. Kasi hindi kami napag-photoshoot kahapon. Umuulan. Yay! Hey guys! What's up? Hey guys! So ayan, feel ko ito na yung outro kasi I'm not sure if makakapag-vlog ba ako sa Starbucks kasi umuulan. And mabigat yung camera. I should have bought yung mas maliit. But yeah, honestly, wala kami masyadong nagawa dito sa Tagaytay kasi alam mo yun, ang hirap din kasing maglakwatsa kasi it's super traffic kasi sobrang traffic legit. But yeah, nevertheless, na-enjoy ko naman yung first gala ko after almost 10 months ng house arrest and it's fine. But always remember na kahit na magta-travel kayo, you always wear face mask. Although dito yung face shield kasi sobrang hangin, matatanggal siya. But it is required to wear face shields sa mga restaurants, ganyan. So always bring your face shields with you and your face mask to be safe. And then basically ang ginawa lang namin sa Tagaytay is bonding as in bonding, and hindi ko yun nakuha on cam kasi I feel like those were prices na kahit na hindi makuha ng cam, it's okay. That's it, guys. Leave me a comment down below kung nag-enjoy ba kayo sa weekend vlog ko in Tagaytay, and recently ba nag-travel din kayo dito sa Tagaytay? What do you think of it? How was it? How's your experience and mga ginawa mo dito? Let me know in the comment section down below. Yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Bye!